Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. 7 health benefits of Moringa powder. When it comes to Moringa benefits, there are almost too many to count. Native to Africa and Asia, the Moringa tree, or Moringa Oleifera to use its scientific name, is one of the most nutrient-rich plants in the world. Here are top 10 benefits of Moringa. Number 1. Reduction of tiredness and fatigue. A single serving of Aduna Moringa powder, 10 grams or 2 to 3 teaspoons, provides iron, 32.2% of your daily requirement, NRV, vitamin A, 18.9% of NRV. Iron is essential for the reduction of tiredness and fatigue in the body, and vitamin A supports the metabolism of iron, ensuring a greater uptake. Adding Moringa to your daily routine is an effective, natural way to prevent tiredness and fatigue. The rich iron content of Moringa powder also makes it ideal for vegan, vegetarians and those suffering from anemia. Number 2. Immunity. One of the best Moringa benefits is its super immune boosting powers. Maintaining a healthy immune system is essential for helping our bodies stave off infections and illnesses. Many studies have been done about Moringa's potential as an anti-cancer agent. Moringa leaves have been shown to have beneficial properties in the fight against both breast and colon cancer cells, and research is ongoing. Number 3. Muscle growth. Moringa Oleifera leaves are almost 25% protein, which is unusually high for a plant. Aduna Moringa powder contains 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete source of protein, supporting the growth and maintenance of muscle mass. The high protein content of Moringa makes it particularly beneficial for vegans and vegetarians who can struggle to get a sufficient protein supply. Number 4. Antistress. A 2010 study in the Research Journal of Pharmacology and Pharmacodynamics confirmed that the leaves of the Moringa tree are a powerful, natural adaptogen. Never heard of them? Adaptogens are herbs or plants that protect the body from the toxic effects of stress. Used for centuries in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine, they help reduce stress and improve attention and endurance in the face of fatigue. Number 5. Energy release. Moringa is a rich source of iron, 32.2% NRV, and calcium, 24.7% NRV, both of which support energy-yielding metabolism. A green smoothie with Moringa in the morning will keep you feeling nice and energized all day. Number 6. Digestion. Moringa powder is a rich source of calcium, 24.7% NRV, which contributes to the normal function of digestive enzymes. It also contains 24% fiber, which can help support a healthy digestive system and bowel regularity. Fiber can also be helpful for weight management, as it helps you feel fuller for longer and supports a healthy metabolism. Number 7. Bones. Maintaining strong and healthy bones is an important component of overall health. Moringa Oleifera leaves are a rich source of vitamin K, 158.7% NRV, protein, 25%, and calcium, 24.7% NRV, all of which support normal bones. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.